Racing as they battle for the last race here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park. We have entry number 12, Escara. Break quickly at the start. Running by the rail comes Quick Play. And then on the inside is Tala sa Umaga. Sound Value comes next. Then next on that is Chan Zandior. Hard Power comes next. Then on the outside comes Splash Away. Palasig is down on the inside. Mr. Lindros comes next. Mangarawa. Then next on line is Virgin Island. Moving up now is Manila Magic. Substantial Racing second last. While Imperial Story is racing in 14th. Back to the leader where is Karab by about 3/4 of a length lead. Sound Value moving up on the outside. Down on the inside. Quick Play. Johnson Diora now moving up now to take fourth. And on the outside comes Splash Away. Then here comes Mr. Lindros. Then next on line is Hard Power, Palasig, Manila Magic. Mangaro comes next. Then followed over by entry number 8, Virgin Island. And they are now entering the home stretch. Where is Karab once again fighting back down on the outside. Running by the rail comes entry number 5A. And this one is Flash Away, Chansam Dior. Where is Karab once again takes command. Chansam Dior is down on the inside. And finally it's a close finish. Escarab.
Nine? Manila Magic?
Yes.
All right.